How to change creator account to private on Instagram. So if you want to change your creator account to a private account on Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application and go with the profile. Under your profile here, you can see that I have a professional account, right, or a creator account. So if you want to remove this and if you want to have a private account, then what you need to do is simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down and here you will get an option of creator tools and controls. Tap on that option. Scroll down and tap on switch account type and then switch to a personal account and tap on switch to personal account. Now wait for some time. Once you've switched to your personal account, now you just need to simply go with the account privacy option and simply toggle on the option of private account. Switch to private and that's it. That's how you can change your creator account to a private account on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.